Hey guys, it's me Harsh and welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. Today we will see the recipe of bechamel sauce or a white sauce which is in pastas. It is a very easy recipe, and before we move ahead, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. So let's start making the bechamel sauce. Only 3 ingredients are required to make this sauce, and most probably you will already have all these ingredients in your home. So the ingredients are butter, plain flour or maida, and milk. So it is so simple to make. So let's start making it. In a saucepan or a pan, we will heat some butter and melt it until it's fully melted. We will require approximately 1/8 cup of butter. Once the butter is melted, we will add our plain flour to it, which should be approximately 4 tablespoons. We will mix it and heat it up on the stove until and unless the raw smell of the flour is gone. Once the raw smell of the flour is gone and you can see the color has changed just a little bit, we will add our milk. We will require 1.5 cups of milk in total. We will add the milk and keep whisking it continuously until everything is well combined. Then we will let it boil for approximately 1 to 2 minutes and add in our 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper powder. We will whisk it in again and boil it for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Once everything is well mixed and boiled, the bechamel sauce is ready. All you need to do is keep it in a refrigerator until you need it, and if it thickens, you can add a little bit of milk or cream to it to loosen it up. You can also add a little bit of chopped garlic for a nice flavor. Your bechamel sauce is ready, and you can use it in any pastas if you want, or you can also put it on pizzas to make a white sauce. So that was my easy and super simple recipe of bechamel sauce or white sauce, which you can make always on the go. I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and share it with all your friends and family members. Don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Until I post the next video, we'll meet again. Till then, bye bye.